restaurant now. Check on this, see how this place looks. Cleared our windows, really dirty. Got all our concrete here for our stucco work. We're gonna finish all that up. So the trailer's still there, that's good. Our tires are still on it. That's good. Let's get all that stucco and spread it on the walls. Now we're gonna drive through the pass-through lot over here. We'll get our pump truck. Job to go do out about a half an hour away. Hopefully, then we got to go back and service our truck the guys drive, because that's been driven. They haven't told me about it. I got to change the oil in. All right, I'm gonna grab the pump truck now. Get all the stuff for our camera and dog and pump truck and our bag. It's like, brr, why does that? Noise. Lights back this truck. I got them sitting there in the office. Install those. At the beach, we're out here pumping. All done. Got our pump job done. Went out to Blythe, pumped out that trailer at the McIntyre Park. They're gonna call us back tomorrow for another service, and we'll take care of it again tomorrow. Almost sold 5 toilets this morning to an RV park whose well wasn't working, and then they called me at 7 a.m. and I didn't get up at 7 a.m. to go bring them toilets, so then they called me back at 8 a.m. and told me that they had already figured it out. So much for that. But we were this close to getting toilets in the field, all of them, 5 of them at least.
But you're out there on Saturday.
Yep, we're out here on Saturday, pumping on the river rather than playing in the water. They're all out there swimming. I'm out there running the truck. Burn all my fuel.
To do that anyway.
Yeah, it's more relaxing.
Let's go. Gotta go do an oil change. Let's go. Up. Take the old heavy Chevy. Get an oil change done in the shop. Oh, that's the release. Dummy. You dummy. That? What? You mean the dustpan is where I set it?
I couldn't find it. I was looking for it.
No way.
I know where it usually is. I told you
Crazy.
where I put it there. I just got glass stuck in my hand again.
You didn't see
glass
it.
bottles from you buy that broke.
Who broke them?
I did, every one of them. Someone was going, please give me a break.
I didn't ask you to
I had to go there
anything.
and get the damn thing, and then I got it stuck in my hand right now.
I'm glad you found your dustpan right where I said it was. Good job, babe. Proud of you.
Smash this one on the ground so you can clean it up. Where's the dustpan go now?
Don't break glass where my kids play.
Yeah, no shit.
Where you said
Pull
it.
the dustpan.
Oh, you gotta put it in a pile. Put it there. You go. Good job.
The glass is wicked nasty. It's like stuck in my thumb.
We gotta fix that. Right out of the side. What's wrong with the horn?
They broke it. They know it's missing. We got an oil filter for this bad girl. Chevy getting a tire rotate. Greasing the front end. Old school trucks got grease fittings on them still, so you can still grease them up. I'm afraid, back on really well. Pretty happy with that. Charged it yesterday with the changed 6 tires. Nice. Of course, we'll come back and work all these. Don't really watch out! Oh my gosh! Love this truck. It's great. Best truck ever. It's a joke. Skid plate off, so I'm trying to change this grease fitting to a 90 so I can grease it, because I can't grease it the way it is now on the car. Greasing stuff is just a nasty job. That's all. Tires back on. Our brakes all look good. Our steering all looks good. Suspension looks good. Trucks are serviced. Did a whole bunch of work on it a while ago. Of course, gonna torque all these once we get on the ground. We'll put our fancy little trim rings back on that I don't keep an engine like so much. They don't crack with impact. Take them off if it's okay, as long as you got the drill in the right direction. The impact. Put a lot of work into this truck. This truck, I pulled the engine apart, put a set of cylinder heads on it. Put a rear, it's got a lock-right locker in the back end. Rear axle's got a locker, which makes things awesome for pulling trailers, especially out in the desert. We don't have any mud like we would back east, but we have a lot of soft stuff, so when we're pulling a trailer, especially a heavy trailer like a dump trailer or even a car trailer with a truck on it. You put it four-wheel drive, but these Chevys open differentials, just spin one tire in the back and one in the front and just bury yourself. With the locker, you don't have that problem. It'll just pull right out of whatever you got it in. So it works pretty good. This truck really does nice off-road. Presses the hell out of people whenever they call me and they have that big Dodge that's lifted up 35s, which does good too. That's got limited slip in the rear, factory, like most Dodges had. But I bring this thing out there and they're like, "What do you do with that thing? That ain't gonna pull it out." And yeah, every time it pulls them right out. The locker in the back. I'm like, wow, I can't believe that truck pulls that much. Like, well, yeah, we got both tires spinning and I think it's only got this 180 horsepower Chevy small block 1989, but she does a good job. Runs good. That's the new cylinder heads I put on it. Brand new set of cylinder heads on it, so fresh valves and all that, springs, everything. So the engine was definitely taken care of. We got this old guy. He drove it was new and came with the book. It had every single bit of fuel mileage, receipts, and he changed light bulbs in the truck. And I just thought it was so cool being that I'm from upstate New York where all the cars rot to pieces instantaneously. This thing would never be around, let alone be as nice as it is. I mean, it's just so clean. It's not even surface rust on this truck. It's spent its entire life in Arizona, and it's just clean. Like, the metal wheel wells are perfect, and there's like a couple little spots where it bubbles, like right here on the other side, like a little bit of bubbling, but not even, the paint's not even broken on it. It's just amazing how good this shape these trucks are in, and how good they work. I mean, I've pulled 38-foot fifth wheels in this truck. This is only the small block with the the light 6-lug 3-quarter tons. Not even a full floater. The other truck I have is a GMC. That one's got a 454 in it, and a heavier transmission, the 480, and it's got a full floater engine. And I bought that truck because I just like this one so much, but that thing seemed to have nothing but problems. I keep having issues. Like right now, the transmission's getting redone. I just put a brand new transmission in that truck, and then it still doesn't drive right. So the guy's working on trying to fix that so it'll downshift. The truck will kick on a fourth gear. When you're on a hill, you floor it, so it doesn't kick down. It's not gonna kick down when it's pulling a trailer, because I pull such big trailers in these trucks. I had to put fifth wheel hitches in both of them, all three of them. Actually, I put one on my red truck too. So they're all set up now with rails and brake controllers and hitches. But I main voyage of the GMC where I put the fifth wrench in it, all kinds of work, brake controllers and brakes and all this stuff. I go pull the first fifth wheel of that for a job for a customer. And the thing over there, and he pulled it good, but when I get there, the truck would not go in reverse, could not back it up with the trailer. And then ever since then, I usually drove the truck, it wouldn't go in reverse. So I tried a couple more times, put Lucas stop link in it, and a couple other things trying to fix the transmission, thinking it would maybe had seals or something. And no, it didn't do it. It wouldn't go in reverse. So if I can't tow a trailer and then go backwards, it doesn't be no good for what I use it for. So I had to get the transmission done. And then I had a hell of a time getting that done. I called a bunch of places. I went like $6,800 for a built transmission for that truck, 4LAD, heavy duty towing and torque converter and all that. And I ended up getting it done for like $3 grand. Super nice guys out in Yuma, and they're still trying to make it right because I think it's a sensor, hopefully like a speed sensor or something that was causing the issue. Now we get the oil all in it. Fluids in it. Trucks are running. Runs good. My power impact really getting after it. It works pretty good. All right, put this thing back together. There's little Harbor or Walmart grease fitting sets. Work pretty good. Just keep those around so I can throw grease fittings and just put one in that truck so I can grease it. I'm gonna break these two tires down off the beads. I got a tire machine over there, a manual one. We're gonna give that a shot. See if we can't make that work. Then we'll pull this we gotta go over here, wash up, pull the heavy Chevy out of the garage. Now she's ready to go. Hopefully she'll stay working. A little bit Dawn just so works the most through the arms. A little grease. The water runs, it's too hot sitting here in the hose. It's actually burgeoning. She's like, you almost forgot me. But the problem is that you have to pull it tight like that. Not far, only a little bit if it goes into the wood, you know what I mean? It's like this string right here, this is grease not gonna work. How this is supposed to work? It's gonna get
clean. Gotta take the old Dodge and drop off the auger. Chevy got maintenance done. Oh no. Sorry, David. I gotta put the keys up. super smooth.
Go over and try to steal my light.
That's it for today.